Alright, today in this video I will be showing you how to build a laminar flow tube. Laminar flow is a term that is used to describe water's flow when it is completely smooth and clear and has no turbulence or air bubbles. Alright, so these are the materials you will need is two 4-inch PVC test caps, one 1.5-inch threaded garden hose adapter, one 2-foot section of 4-inch PVC pipe, one half-inch section of threaded half-inch threaded plastic nut, silicone RTV adhesive sealant, 3 heavy-duty scouring pads, one roll of sliding door screen, and about 900 to 1,000 plastic coffee stir straws. Alright, step 1 is to use a 5/8 inch drill bit and drill a hole through the center of one test cap, as shown right here in the video. And yeah. Step 2 is to use the other test cap and drill a 1/2 inch hole through the center. Step 3 is to modify the PVC nuts if they have a flange, shown on the outside here. You want to remove that flange, or else the nut will not thread onto the adapter all the way. Step 4 is to use the silicone RTV sealer on the threads of the adapter. Step 5 is to push the adapter into the test cap with the 5/8 inch hole, as shown. Step 6 is to use more silicone around the edge of the hole in the test cap on the other sides to prevent water from seeping through. Step 7 is to use more silicone on the threads of the nut and the adapter when screwing the nut onto the adapter to hold it in place. Step 8, you want to use the test cap to create 3 circles that are in 4-inch in diameter out of scouring pads. Step 9 is to use a ruler to mark a 11.5 inch section of PVC and about 3 to 4 1/4-inch marks for your rings that you'll be making later. And here come the rings. Step 10, you need to cut out about 3 of these rings. They are 1/4 inch thick, and you see the notch on the top. You need to cut the PVC ring once and stick it inside the tube, the pipe, sorry, and mark the overlap and cut the overlap out so that you get a gap. Step 11, you use the test cap as a template and cut out a square piece of screen that leaves about 3 inches of extra material on the edges. And then step 12 is to insert the 3 cutout scouring pads about a 1/2 inch into the end of the pipe and place a square piece of screen over the end of the pipe and press the cut ring inside the pipe all the way up against the scouring pad, and then cut the excess material off so you're left with that. Step 13 is to flip the pipe over so that you see the top of the scouring pads and fill the entire diameter of the pipe with coffee straws. You cannot leave a single space or else there will be turbulence created in the pipe. Step 14, just like step 12, you want to place a screen over the top of the PVC pipe and stick your rings inside and push the ring all the way down into its place and then cut the excess material. You want to place the first ring all the way against, 1/4 inch away from the straws, and then the second one you want to place about 1.5 inches deep into the pipe. And then finally, your last step, step 15, you want to put both your test caps on the ends of the PVC pipe, the 11.5 inch section, and you want to make sure the water flows through the scouring pads first, which slows down the water for the straws, and then you want the water to go through the straws, then out the screens through the end of the pipe, and it will come out something like this. I will put in another video after this that shows you.
Alright, this is to compare the laminar flow tube to a regular faucet. As you can see, the water is not clear. It has a lot of turbulence and a lot of air bubbles in them, in the water. And yeah, that's what it prevents. Alright, Miss Krebs, laminar flow tube, it's all finished, ready, built up, you know. There's the hose connection, there's the output. You gotta put your hose on here first. Alright, hose is connected. I'm gonna turn the water on. Alright, as you can see, the water is completely clear. No turbulence, it's all going in the same direction, coming out of the tube. You see right through it. And yeah, that's it. That's how you build a laminar flow tube, and that's how it works.